So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add Vimeo video app gallery to your Wix website. So first of all, you'll have to come on lsite.com and see this widgets option, and in the video you'll go for Vimeo gallery. And now just click on create widget. And guys, as you can see, here are a bunch of templates. You can choose whichever you like. I'll go with this one, and now you just have to click on continue with this template. And here you guys can also see that you can also customize your template here, like its layout and content, etc. After customizing your template, click on join to install. After that, you just have to sign up your lsite account, and now you just have to click on save button. After that, go for this subscription, and now you just have to copy this code by clicking on it. Now come on to your editor.wix.com and go for add elements, and in the embedded code you'll go for embed HTML. Now click on this box and paste the code here and click on update. And as you can see guys, the Vimeo video art gallery is here on my website. So if you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.